fix Roblox unknown error. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to fix if your Roblox is facing unknown errors. First of all, just simply open your Roblox account and log into your account. And once you're logged in into your Roblox account, just simply click on the three dot icon from your window itself, and from there just go to the settings option, and over here at the left hand side menu screen you will be able to see a bunch of different options. Just simply click on privacy and security. From there just simply click on delete browsing data. Just tap on it and click on delete data, and just simply delete all the cookies, browsing history and cache that has been accumulated over the period of time. And once you're done deleting all the browsing data and history, cache, etc. regarding your Roblox account, and after that your unknown error should be fixed. And if that doesn't fix your problem, just simply click on the settings icon from the top right corner of the screen, and from there just go to the help and safety, and now just simply click on help center, and on the search bar just simply search error, and there are so many articles will come and appear right in front of you. Just select the first one, and from there you will be able to see how you can fix the error. But if you can't fix it from the advice as well, just simply click on contact us, and in the contact us section just simply fill in the contact us form. Just simply enter your name, your email address, your problem that you're facing in device, and just select the category. For example, you're facing error, just select it from the list given here, and after that in the description box just simply explain that you're facing some unknown error in your Roblox account, and you want to fix them as soon as possible. And after that the Roblox team will reach out to you and help you regarding the unknown error that you're facing in your account, and you will be able to fix it quite soon. So that's how basically you will be able to fix your Roblox unknown error. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.